Sir, I know you're a Christian. Sir, one man was going to church. His church is quite a church. But on the way, there was a heavy downpour of rain. So he decided to take cover at African church. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, the rain wouldn't stop. So he decided to worship in African church. So they made an announcement. After the church service, all elders should wait, including Elder Thomas, who was from a white church. So they waited. They got to the vestry. They brought drink. He said, in our own church, we don't drink, but I hide and drink. He ran. The man that had the best hunter brought bushmeat. Yes. When he wanted to go, they put some envelope in front of all the elders, including himself. He asked them, is this how you do it every Sunday? They said, yes, so. He said, no problem. The next Sunday there was no rain. He entered the church, sat down on top of the pulpit. He got to that Sunday, the wife asked, what's wrong with you? We have been elders of why the church all our life. Why did something change? He said, that food on Monday. You don't ask where that money came from. It came from that church. Because in our own church, they don't share money. The wife asked, what do they do to the women? Say the difference now. The people that will cook the thing, share the thing, send it to us. Don't you see that there are women at the ushers? So the next Sunday, the wife joined. The next day, sir, the son asked, I am a chorister. What do they do to choristers? First, they look at you. Those monies they put when you are singing, it belongs to the choristers. The whole family joined, eventually, African church. That is why everybody is joining Association of Senior Civil Servants. Because of what we have upstairs. So we are very happy when we had that our chairman here has not disappointed you, Mr. President, and his executive. We equally have one of our experts from Cross River State, Comrade Busan, that tutored them, and you see here, business class of Comrade Busan. So that is why I said everybody would like to be members of Association of Senior Civil Servants because we have enough for everybody. Because we say in my father's house there are many mansions. If it was not so, I would take you to South Africa. We now call on the Secretary General, the very humble man, unassuming man, but full of action. His action is action packed. When it hits you, you feel so good. Our dear Alhaji, our Secretary General.
Solidarity, solidarity. Amanda, Amanda, Awetu, Comrades, first and foremost, want to thank the Almighty God for allowing this meeting to hold as planned. There are some meetings we plan for it, some other unforeseen events will happen. Our own is not like that, so we thank the Almighty God for that. We equally want to extend our gratitude to His Excellency, the Governor of Cross River State, Senator Imoke, and the good people of Cross River State too for creating a conducive environment for this meeting to hold. Our special thanks also go to the representative of the Governor, the Special Advisor on Labour Matters, Honorable Samutu. You are welcome. We love you. And to our amiable head of service, you saw when the head of service was speaking, without even consulting any text, that you are a wonderful woman. You are welcome. To all our members of the Central Working Committee, the leadership, the current leadership of the union, we are wonderful people. ably led by our amiable national president, who also doubled as the president of the Trade Union Congress of Nigeria. The man that is performing wonders in our statement, the open corporation, country for white and all our head members are chairmen of branches, chairmen of chapters. You have been very wonderful. You are good leaders. You are wonderful leaders. People want to emulate you. May your days be long, sir. And to our state secretaries, my colleagues, they are also welcome to this. Thank you very much. Our national secretary staff all the way from Lagos. We are also want to thank you too. Our friends in the hotel industry that have accommodated us. I know we all stand very well. We have very wonderful accommodation. We want to thank them. And all our invited guests too, we are extending our gratitude to you, including the gentlemen of the press all the way from Lagos. I welcome, thank you very much. So we sincerely hope that when we invite you all, you will take it to our call. Thank you and God bless. Thank you.